Is Ilios the first map?
Mm-hmm.
Let's go!
Now arriving at Ilios. Prepare for battle. Select your hero.
Watch for hooks and boops. I don't think they played Hog last time we played them.
Yeah, I don't think so
But-
either.
Milk, are you going to start with Farah or?
Together,
Yes.
we are strong.
Okay.
Well, it's high noon somewhere in the world.
Salty, I forget. When can Kaze talk to us? Just between rounds or between each map?
Between each
It's
map.
unclear.
Map.
Okay.
I thought.
That's what I thought too. Between each map. Alright.
Every system has different rules, so I
Yeah.
just.
Yeah, right.
Alright.
3, 2,
Let's do
1.
this.
Round 1. Capture the objective.
Guys, no.
This is a nice map for Lucio too.
Yeah, this is a good one for boobs. Alright.
I'll be mostly with Milk, so make sure you guys are
Yeah.
kind of huddled for Messy.
They have an Ash.
Live with me, and I'll let you know when I die.
They're pushing left. They're up top. They have an
Yeah, in
Orisa.
the top left.
Okay,
Push.
watch for her.
Yeah, let's push.
I'm crossing with you guys.
The
Alright, let's try to capture the point while they're staying up there.
Oh, fudge.
Resing Farah?
Careful. They're pushing on.
Watch out for halt.
Backing up, backing up.
I got one.
Good pick, good pick, good pick. I'm backing up. I'm gonna play in this room over here.
Yeah, their Mercy's left
Yeah,
side.
they're over here. We can just kind of poke them from behind. Backing up, backing up. Watch for that, watch for that.
Can I have some healing?
Got you, Kree.
They got the the
Back to
Reza
Milk.
Reloading.
on Orisa. You are oh
Nice,
good
dog.
shit. You already had your ult. I didn't know. Orisa's down.
Got Ash.
Nice.
Oh, shit.
Should we push up a bit?
I think there's someone near you, Messy. I just heard footy steps and that wasn't ours. So be careful.
I'm gonna back out the back end.
Coming back.
Back it out.
Oh, they're going left.
I'm going left. Okay.
Bap
This
went up
one's so
top.
nervous.
They're pushing left. Yeah.
I'm pushing
Orisa's
past
already
shield.
low.
They're coming through middle.
Plant.
I'm healing
that?
for a second, Milk.
I have no shield.
On Orisa. Orisa's low. Buff for you.
Come back.
Junk. Good stuff. Get that Sigma if you can. Watch Mercy res. Mercy
I'm
res.
talking.
I got the sick. I'm on BAP.
Alright. Careful, no one's with you. You're by yourself.
I'm trying to crowd across.
Yeah. I'm retreating.
Bubble for you. You're good, I'm pushing it on this back a little bit.
Yeah. Okay.
I'm trying to
back
stagger
up.
him. Never mind. Back up.
Back up. Back up.
I'm back on
Got
Milk.
shield. I have window for when they push again.
I must have grab. I'm at 99.
Kraus, do you have Oh, I was just about to ask you if you have fire strike.
Oh,
I have all.
3 seconds. You got 5 strike 3 seconds.
I'm healing.
I'm ulting them.
Oh, I'm dead.
Sorry, I was almost
It's
about
alright.
to die.
5 strike missed.
Thank you.
I'm resing Messy.
Good stuff.
Oh, shit.
You have no tanks. Be careful. Oh, we got
No,
it.
it's alright.
Good job.
There we got it.
Ooh.
Nice.
Milk, that was a really nice early ult.
Yeah, I
Yeah,
didn't
it
even know you
was.
had it yet. That was insane.
Thank you.
She said she was gonna hit her shots.
Hell yeah. I'm not hearing the calls for healing though.
Well, when you have a pocket.
Fitz, you need to stop
It's been-
talking, Milk.
It's been blue beam the whole time. I
Okay.
didn't heal her one.
All right, good. Blue beam only.
Okay, maybe once.
No.
5, 4,
It was only during her ult, because
2,
Yeah.
1. Round 2.
That's
Capture
okay,
the
I
objective.
guess. All right, watch for widows and ashes.
Yeah. I'm probably gonna try the Ash again.
Ryan's already on
I'm looking
point.
now.
Oh, careful! You got walled
Oh.
off. Get that May wall. Fuck. Alright.
Okay.
Is this
We
the
weren't
May
expecting
thing?
that.
That's not the same
Yeah.
May from before. Alright.
Just back out if you
Yeah,
can.
backing out.
Yep, backing up.
Oh, she mauled
Oh,
me
shit.
off. It's fine. It's fine. Alright, so we're gonna have the same issue with the May.
That's alright, we just gotta stay together.
Yeah. So if we're pushing in, we all need to push in with Kraz. We need to be, like, in his ass.
Mm-hmm. I'll be more attached.
Am I feeding?
No?
Are you feeding? No,
No.
why?
Or am I just saying?
Oh, she used wall.
May use wall, so she'll be
push.
down for a little bit. I have no idea where
No,
she's
could you
at, but
see the
Yeah.
May?
I have-
Try to focus her.
Yeah.
Okay. I have all the.
Ryan to the left, Ryan to the left, Ryan's pushing up. Get this Ryan if we can. Fuck, I got stunned.
Nice milk.
Good stuff. May's down. I'm on
Good.
McCree.
Resi milk.
McCree's low. Backing up. I'm
Zarya,
low.
Zarya, behind you guys.
I'm careful. I'm not with you.
McCree's
No,
low.
that-
Get that
to heal
Lucio if
for
we
now.
can. That Lucio's so low.
Get the Zarya, get the Zarya.
Sorry.
She's no personal.
Good. Bap. Oh, never mind. Back up.
You're covered.
Alright, I'm back on milk.
Alright.
Okay.
I'm with
I have window.
good stuff. We have two more ults coming up. We have Bomb and Shatter. Sorry, Tire and Shatter.
That might be a decent combo actually if you can get a shatter.
Oh, they're on left, right. Oh, fuck. Oh, man. It's alright.
Oh, shit.
It went
I'm gonna
under
hold
me and I
window.
jumped off the wrong side.
It's alright.
I have to heal milk.
Rocket barrage incoming.
I'm down.
He got me.
Never surrender.
I didn't see that he pulled the
Get out if you can.
immortality.
Die on point. Die on
I am
point.
point.
Do that.
We're gonna
That way we
stall for as
stall
long
it.
as we can. CK.
Yeah.
Should I
Right
go?
behind you, Seth. No, I'm
No,
right
no.
behind you.
Fall back now.
Alright, come back.
Barrier activated.
Alright, we have... I have
Window.
Grav coming up. We have 3 ults. Oh, she's got... Careful,
TK.
she's got wall. She's got wall coming up.
CK used your
No.
She used it.
tire just as an engagement.
Is it? Okay, yeah.
Yeah, push him back.
I'm even stronger.
Pushing up.
Barriers on
With you, Cross.
Okay, do tire.
This Ryan. Oh, fuck.
Oh,
I'm swinging it.
Yep. We gotta... Ooh.
Just fall back or die. Fall back or die.
Yeah.
We
We're
got
gonna
one
have
fight
to...
left.
Yeah. We're gonna have to make it quick, though.
I am not a good
Yeah, once we start pushing in, CK, just tire him.
yeah.
We could probably also push in with Valk.
Milk, if you want to poke, they can't single kill you.
Barrier
I'll keep going.
activated.
Oh god.
She's got that wall
Okay, they
ready.
used wall.
They caught me. Damn it.
Okay.
We gotta touch. Oh, the same. We gotta touch.
I'm dead.
I'm frozen.
I
Yeah.
I feel like we wait too long to like push in, because I feel like that's happened before.
Lost.
We
We
just
had-
lost CK, unfortunately.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, when they win, it's a good round.
Yeah. What the heck? All right.
Okay.
That's fine.
Okay.
All right, I'm gonna Lucio on this one, Milk. So if you go far, just know you won't. You'll have to be.
Yeah,
You'll have to
okay.
find Messi for heals.
My team back alive, but who's counting?
Okay.
My friends, lots resources standing around.
We got this.
So then I'm gonna. No, I'll still stay. Because I don't want to get
CK,
walled
what's
off.
your comfort level with Symmetra?
I'm not that comfortable with her, if I'm
Okay,
honest.
stick on junk.
One.
They probably have May still, so watch for those walls.
I'm amping.
Yeah.
Go quick. We
go.
want to make May come to us.
Oh, okay.
Oh. Sorry, Fitz, we went the wrong way.
Yeah.
Contact.
Okay, they're left.
They're pushing in.
Fall back. Ignore him. Get to the point. Get to the point.
Going to point. She wasted wall. Careful, Cross.
Back up. Okay.
Help Cross.
Got you.
That Ryan is going hard.
He's on
Need
me.
a
That
target.
Ryan's low.
Need a
That Ryan's.
target.
Ryan.
Run.
He's behind. He's on point.
Lucio's dead, Lucio's dead.
May is low.
Wow.
I feel like
He had shatter.
could
That
we
was
maybe
insane, Shower.
have a Reaper for that
Yeah.
for May?
Oh no, we need to outrange her.
I feel like with
We need another main.
Yeah,
I'm just telling you, Kaze is not gonna be happy if we run Reaper.
all right, then let's not run Reaper.
He
I
absolutely
just
hates
feel
Reaper
like
right now.
I just
I'll go May. I'll go May.
I
Yeah,
just
that
feel
can
like having it's too close quarters. Let's push right. Let's push right. Let's push right. Let's
Yeah.
not give them that.
And they're trying to probe us for ult,
Yeah.
so let's push in.
And she's waiting for wall. She's prepped it. I heard it. Careful.
Okay.
Bring it.
Where is she even? Oh, she's right there.
She's up
She walled us off. She walled us off.
She
Careful,
walled
careful,
us.
careful.
We're fine. You're with
We
me.
can go
Okay,
left.
it's okay.
Sorry, that wall just scared
This
me.
one, never mind.
Oh, I'm stuck with the Rhine. I am
Careful,
dying.
careful. I'm on that Rhine. I'm on that Rhine. Rhine's. I'm backing up. Oh man, Rhine's so low.
We're down, everybody.
Yeah, I don't know what happened there.
I'm gonna switch.
Yeah, we need to do it now if that's the case.
Practice makes perfect.
All right, everybody come to the right. They don't have a way to boop us really, except for the Lucio.
Yeah.
Okay.
We're gonna go down right. Oh no. Okay.
Going right?
No, this way,
Oh.
guys. This
Oh,
way.
okay.
You gotta
Sorry.
specify.
Everybody be right on top of Kraz, and we're going fast.
All right, we're going.
Get it.
Go,
Go to the
go,
point.
go,
Go
go,
to the
go, go,
point.
go.
I died.
Wait, May's down. May's down.
You got the May.
Watch that
I seen
lamp.
the May, but I got him.
May. Sorry. I'm low. I'm so low. Ugh. I'm down.
Oh.
It's just me and you, Cross, gotta try and make it.
I have grab, but I'm not gonna be able to do anything.
I don't think we're gonna make it.
I've got fight. No.
No.
I'm sorry. I'm not gonna lie. It bothers me when people say GG or good round only when they
Yeah.
win. Like,
Right?
either say it all the time or don't say it at all.
Right?
Reaper was not the call.
I told you.
Well, we didn't go Reaper.
Yeah. We shouldn't have stuck on Pharaoh with when we're not running the Mercy. Is even with just like that little bit of poke, Milk can't push as free as she wants to.
Holy cow, Milk.
I know.
What's the next map?
Route 66.
Oof.
Milk
Route
is-
66. What?
Which one of you is decent with Ash? That's you, right, Milk?
Milk's better with Ash.
If we see that May again, especially on Route 66, wouldn't it be worthwhile to try Ash? Kaze?
Kree's the better choice.
Kree? Okay.
Also Hanzo.
So-
Just the one shot potential without needing a pocket. Plus, you get Draft Dragons as a nice combo.
Oh, yeah, that's true.
I mean, May's not going to work phenomenally at 66 until the last point because every point is pretty wide. You guys are just going to have to outrange them. They're probably going to run Risa Sigma again. Which Renzar is going to have a hard time pushing into because they're just going to melt your shields on the way in.
So, tank-wise, what do we run then? Do we do...
Battle
Sig?
Cattle would be good. Running a Diva and a Rhine might be good.
So, like,
It's just
D-Matrix, the walk-up?
yeah, just to give the shield some relief.
Creon 66.
Or you guys run a Risa Sig and just try and outpoke them. Like running a Hanzo and a McCree would give you guys a little bit more shield break than they're probably going to roll out with.
If we're going full shield break, I'll do Zen.
Yeah.
I'll do Zenbap.
Which means that we do need to stay together so that we can maximize BAP's heals.
Mm-hmm.
Traveling to Route 66.
So who am I?
Oh, Hanzo.
You are Hanzo.
Prepare
Okay.
to attack.
Be the Hanzo.
Select your hero.
Be
You-
de Mortadela.
You are Shimada.
I'm doing it. I'm doing it.
Okay,
I'm
good.
doing it. I'm doing it. I'm doing it.
Cross, you're here, right?
So we're so we're
Okay.
poking then, right?
Yeah. So do you want to run Battle Cattle or
Oh.
Diva Rhine? He said.
Diva
Battle Cattle-
Rhine or Orisa Sig.
I would feel better with Orisa Sig, I
Okay,
think.
we can do that.
Oh, I see.
My boy with the toes.
Oh no.
Listen.
Toe boy. What?
Listen.
What?
His
Did you
voice
hear?
lines are so freaking
What?
long. It'll be like
Very
2 words.
philosophical too.
Yeah.
And
All right, we're going up.
Oh, the rhyme?
Yeah.
Focus the shield. Everybody on his shield.
On it.
I want it gone.
I don't want to see it at all.
Kree and Zarya are up top.
They dropped down.
His
They dropped
shield's
down.
down.
Yep.
Just
They're
focus
Maze. They're
on
Maze
it.
down. Good pick.
Nice.
Good pick.
Push it on that.
Pushing in
Get
on it.
this
Push
line.
on the Ryan.
Punish
On the
this
Ryan. On the
line.
Ryan.
Focusing lamp.
Ryan's discorded.
Ryan,
Get him, get him.
discord.
Shield and 3.
Ryan solo. He's down. Good stuff. Careful.
Zarya's one.
Sorry's down.
right there.
McCree's top. McCree's one. McCree's one. McCree's down. Get that Ana.
Anna.
Ana's running.
Bap is still on top of the gas station.
Alright, she ran.
They fell back.
Yeah.
We uncart till they're back.
Someone's pushing in left. I hear the low foots. I thought I. Backing up. Oh, Ryan top right. Ryan top right. They're all top right.
Hit that shield hard.
On it. Watch the wall.
East May.
May's low. May's low.
One.
Oh, the Kree got me. He's
Oh,
top
the
right.
Ana's low.
Watch out for
Ana's down.
High noon. Get the pack.
Ana or May's down.
Grab that health pack if you need.
Oh, fuck. I'm down. McCree right. You guys
don't
got
have
it. There's
heals.
only 2 there.
Oh.
Oh. Damn, they're one. Oh,
I got
nice.
the
Milk.
McCree.
That's right. We have a bunch of ults coming up.
Playing again.
I'm coming, Milk.
Get out if you can, Milk. Just retreat.
Milk, back up. Oh, they're
Sun
coming back.
Zarya.
Serve the barrier.
Punish that Rhine. Punish that Rhine.
I have window.
Focusing on Ren.
Zarya's top left. Careful.
Their Bap's top right.
Punish the
Where's that
Bap.
Ren?
Mace right on top of the gas station.
Down.
You lost 2. Careful. Get out of there. Get out of there.
Back up. Use this
Get
to
out
back
there.
out.
Let's line of sight it.
Okay, I have ult.
I almost have ult
Okay.
too.
Time for a gravitic
I'm not gonna lie, I really don't know when to use Sig's ult. So.
Okay,
I'm
so
gonna use ult right now.
try and halt.
Actually, no.
No.
Salty, use yours, and CK, use yours.
Okay.
It's the best
Going in?
combo imaginable.
Oh, yeah.
Going in.
No, just when you see 4 of them, grab them, or
Got it.
3 of them, or whatever.
right.
When you see a couple of good ones, because High Noon will hit them when they're in the air.
All right.
activating the barrier.
All
I
right.
need healing.
I'll let you know.
Yeah.
Oh, I can't now. Fuck, that McCree's so low. I don't have shield. Careful.
Oh,
I'm
yeah,
backing
yeah.
out. Backing out. Oh man, we gotta. All right,
Okay.
when you're back, I'm gonna pop. CK.
I'm here.
All right, I'm gonna go left. Go
Okay.
front.
I'm
Go
coming
front.
with
I'm
you
gonna go
guys.
left.
Yeah.
I'll go with you, CK, and I'll show you.
Yeah.
Oh fuck! I got stunned out of it, bitch.
It's okay. I got you.
I'm stuck in here.
Get the Zarya, get the Zarya.
Nope, they got me.
I could feel it.
Cut the Zarya.
Nice.
Keep calling
Still
targets.
have window.
Come on.
There's nobody here.
You guys got it.
Okay.
Good job.
We got shit spawned. We're coming back right now.
By the dragon.
I'm here too.
You're so fast, Ritz.
Sorry, I was like,
I
oh
wish I
yeah,
could
don't
roll
pop the
right.
Good luck.
Nice.
They're all here. Good stuff. Get that Ryan. Get that Ryan. Where's McCree?
I got him.
He's dead.
Good stuff. All right.
6 feet in the ground. That's where he's at.
Milk. That was a really good dragon.
Thank you.
Alright, guys, push up. I got the cart.
Pushing up, pushing up.
We're gonna come force this corner up here where I'm at.
With you,
Stay
yeah.
under so they can't pop you. Just peek. Remember, we're still poke, so we just want to peek and poke.
Yep.
I keep like stuttering. It's really weird.
McCree's on the
Oh,
high
they're above
ground.
us. They're above us.
Here's Ryan, here's
Yeah,
Ryan.
make
Ryan's
him
on us,
drop.
Ryan's on us. Oh, I'm backing up. I'm gonna die. That Ryan just kept swinging on me.
Zarya's one.
I'll use Bongo's next push.
Oh, sorry.
I feel.
Just get away.
Do we want to do battle cattle or?
Well, let's use supercharger.
Yeah, and we'll see
Let's see
how
how
it goes.
far up how far up are they pushed, Milk? Are they?
They're on point.
Are they?
Yeah.
I can window to push them, and then once we get there, a second fight, we'll.
Whoa, 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 whoa! Get that wall down! Get that wall down!
Yeah, I'm up. Damn it.
Alright,
Okay,
Have
I'm
ult.
windowing.
alright. Use the window. Use the window.
Just push them out. Just push them out.
Push through.
Oh,
push
I got
through.
walled. I got walled. I'm on point, but I'm getting swung on by Ryan. Fuck.
Me.
I'm down.
Fuck.
Fuck!
Damn.
I'm switching
I
to
was
Diva.
hiding!
I was hiding too. I hid behind. I did survive as long as I could.
I'm gonna switch.
We got one more
Okay.
fight. We got 2 ults.
30 seconds remaining.
Let me say, I'm push. Let's push right. Let's push right. Let's push right.
Push right.
Yeah, it's too. That's too narrow.
They're gonna meet us here. Watch out for the May.
I'm diving out.
Go ahead and do your
Fuck. Trying to touch point.
Oh, sorry, Salty. I couldn't get.
It's
to you.
alright. It's
I
alright.
was in-
I'm on point. I'm trying. I'm here. I'm dead.
Oh, I'm dead too. Rip. It's
I
alright.
got the Reinhardt.
It's okay.
Ah, fuck.
Round 1 complete. Moving behind my barrier.
I'm too young to die.
Score 1-0. Switching sides.
Oh, I don't know how that happened.
Prepare
My
your
mouse is acting up.
defenses.
Hmm?
Select your hero.
Do we want to do double shield or?
Like Orisa Sigma.
Yeah, we can do that again.
I'm gonna go
I think-
junk for defense.
I think
Junk.
we actually want to get Milk back on Farah, at least for this first point.
Farah or Ash for the long sight lanes. Because otherwise,
Yeah, I'm
I'm gonna have
thinking-
to deal with the May.
Farah.
Just okay. I was gonna say we're gonna have a mercy, right?
Yeah, it's just we gotta stay close to me.
So Milk, don't be too aggressive.
Okay,
Like try to maximize your poking potential.
okay.
Attackers
Stick to corners.
in 30
Don't
seconds.
be aggressive. Don't be aggressive. Don't be aggressive. Don't be aggressive.
I mean, still do what you do best. But,
I still do you,
like,
boo.
I will have to peel sometimes to heal BAP. So just like,
It's not inexpensive.
I guess what I'm asking is kind of keep it close-ish to everybody.
Okay.
5,
But why did they give Orisa a donk though?
2, 1.
A straight up dump truck. I don't understand.
Because she's a horse?
That robot has no business. Yeah, she's a horse.
I think.
I think I don't know what she is. They put up the wall. I'm pushing right. We might want to jump
Where
down.
are you going down?
I'm jumping down. I'm going down. I'm going down. I'm going
Alright.
down. Oh, that's right. I'm backing up. Backing up. Oh, I got
healing Milk.
destroyed.
May is down.
They're so brawly. It's really hard to.
We're
I'll
still
get that,
even.
Ryan.
Just push on them.
Run.
Oh, what?
Damn it.
Why is Ryan going up? Ryan pushed so far.
Get him.
Get him. Get him. Get him.
Make him regret his
Come on, we
life
got him, come on.
choices.
Good job.
You're still down. Two.
Backing up,
You got
backing up.
Long spawn,
I'm
so
down.
Be careful.
Yeah.
I'm trying to keep them as far back as I can.
Oh, that's not what I wanted to shoot.
Oh, I got long
They're gonna yell at
spawn.
me. We gotta push up on them.
Call your targets.
Payload is approaching.
Ryan.
It's high noon.
Fudge!
You're down 2.
He
You're
got
down 3.
me.
It's okay.
That's okay.
I was getting ready to ult.
Oh.
Oh well. What's the next map?
Next map is Nubani. It's okay.
It's high
Don't forget what I said. We're not.
Look.
Triple kill.
Okay, I guess I wasn't.
Oh no, you were 100% in his line of sight. I saw during that. Fuck it. Go fucking Torb on defense on Nibani.
Cheese on them.
Yeah, fucking run Bastion, Torb,
Jeez.
double shield, do Ryan Orisa.
They're gonna get so. I don't.
Fuck 'em.
So? They've been hitting us with a good round.
True.
It's okay.
That's
Do
so
it,
the one
let's do
dude.
it.
Do it. I mean, what's the worst that's gonna happen? You guys lose? Oh well.
Yeah.
Then
Yeah.
It's the last
Just
map
try-
then.
take fun in not allowing them to have fun.
All right. So I'm gonna swap us. They're not. If we're not having fun, no one's having fun.
Honestly,
Fuck them.
that's true. Words to live by, Salty.
That's what competitive Overwatch is you're trying to make the other team not have any fun.
That's not fun.
That's the way it is you want to you just want to dunk on them.
Damn like
Yeah.
that. Damn like that. What?
They're not
Yeah.
bears anymore.
Oh.
Bears.
I was like, what?
They wish they weren't bears. Like one guy said. Be first day of spring.
I was
Oh,
so
yeah,
excited.
today
I wet
is-
my plants.
Oh, milk. I gotta get out of here. I'm gonna leave
just
now.
like that.
I'm just not even gonna spectate this last round.
No, you have to.
Oh,
You're our coach.
Wait, did you say pants or plants?
plants.
Plants.
Okay.
That's why we're so disappointed in her.
I. That's what I thought too, but I wasn't 100.
If she said pants, I'd just be concerned that maybe she has a bladder issue.
Well, I was gonna be concerned that I thought she loved winter.
Uh,
Oh, it snows so much.
Why don't you marry it?
what is happening? I feel like our team is a 7th grade class. It's like-
Probably. It's a Saturday, man.
Yeah, well, I'm rubber and you're glue.
Kaze is the teacher, but he's now stooped down to our level, so it's
Yeah.
just-
No, I'm the cool teacher that tries to act like the kids so they listen. Yo, kids, let me rap with you and turn this chair backwards.
Are you one of those teachers that like bends over and sticks your ass in front of the other kids' faces? 'Cause I
I'm
hated
sorry.
those
What?
teachers.
There's
You never had those teachers?
No,
I've
I'm.
never had those teachers.
I need to
I
go. Oh,
Salty, is all of this being recorded?
yes. And I have to upload this immediately because it has to be uploaded within like the first hour. So it's like I can't edit
stand
this.
by what I
It's
said.
going straight up.
Nice.
That's why I'm not saying anything.
Milk, you already
Except
said
for
you
the-
pissed your pants. What are you talking about?
I wet my plants.
Oh, are you sure?
Are you sure?
Prepare your defenses.
Alright, so
Select your hero.
That's why everyone's cool that pees their pants.
Yeah.
Cool kids pee their pants. What?
Yes.
Torbjorn.
Who, me?
Yeah, you.
Oh my gosh, really?
Can I
No.
apologize for our team beforehand? Like, can I say that to
Why
them?
apologize?
No.
I don't know.
No.
Because we're going double shield.
They're
It's
running
part of-
May.
No.
It's part of the game, Salty.
We better win.
Oh god, I'm gonna hear about this. It's gonna be horrible, but it's fine.
Oh, wow.
I don't even
How
care.
about I go Symmetra?
No, stay Torb.
Oh, symmetric.
Stay in range of my barrier.
Is it worse?
You have 20 seconds.
I went up the wrong way. Where are we going? Where are we going?
Over in this back corner.
Here we go.
I don't know. Where am I
corner?
putting my turret?
Where I'm hopping. And milk,
Over there.
I'll
Over
show
here.
you.
Where's you? Where's you?
4,
Do you not have outlines on?
2,
Over here.
Probably not.
For now, just put it up here with the Bastion, Milk.
Here, I'm putting up my shield cross, so.
So when we contest, do I just drop? Since everyone
Cross,
else
you
is
drop
down?
down. You, Messi, and probably Torb drop down, and the other three will stay up.
Oh,
I'm with
Yeah,
you. I'm
just
with
shoot
you.
it.
I'm swinging on Ryan though. He's alone on point.
Lucio.
Lucio, they're coming up.
They're coming on you. CK.
Oh,
They're
they
what?
were loud.
They're up. They're up top.
Watch this, May.
See, you didn't have anything to worry about.
Sorry, I'm losing my mind actively.
CK.
My ultimate
See,
Yeah.
we needed to win that.
Objective lost. Stop
Cool
the
kids.
payload.
Not on fire.
Is that all of us?
I don't know where to set up.
For now, just come right here.
Oh,
Oh, okay.
Don't set up in the fire strike.
for your safety. Please move behind the barrier.
Locate where the Zarya is. The Zarya is leading the flank.
I almost got bongos.
Stop right there.
Oh, that's not a spot you can stand on.
I got bongos.
Line of sight it, line of sight it.
May's dead. And I have ult.
Damn it, I'm dying.
Yeah, shoot your goo.
Kill them all!
Oh, mamma mia.
I got gold eliminations.
Me too.
With you.
Yeah.
This doesn't feel right.
The checkpoint.
Cross, hold your fire strike. Because I have window. And I want to fire strike window someone.
Oh, they stopped. They dodged.
Bunch of punks.
2 seconds.
I recommend moving behind the barrier.
Ah!
I'm just gonna ult.
Yeah, go ahead.
Go, go,
Oh,
go,
the
go,
wall.
Heroes never die. Barrier activated.
Oh, we lost
no.
Fitzy.
Okay, okay.
Nice block. I'm dead.
Oh, good shot. Good one. Oh, the May's down.
Oh, nice cross.
You.
Woo!
No.
I knew that was gonna happen. That Lucio looked at me in the eyes with his blue fucking eyeballs, and I knew what was coming.
Alright, I'll have fade. I don't think I'll be able to touch.
It's okay.
The Bap is just hiding behind point. He's not
Yeah.
healing anyone.
Hold it, hold it, hold
I was
it.
trying.
Oh no.
Complete.
I am having so much fun right now. I cannot contain
I know.
myself.
So much fun.
It's almost over, Cross.
Switching sides.
You
Let's
just...
just get it over with and then
Maybe-
Prepare to
dip out.
Maybe we'll dominate this round.
select
Yeah, right.
hero.
Finish this, dip out, and then go play quick play and have actual fun.
It's only 7:30. What the hell?
Yep. This was a fast match, wasn't it?
Speed running.
Speedrun.
Speedrun.
World record.
Together, we are strong.
I'll ask if the Blizzard Bears can have an award for having the fastest match all
Yeah,
season.
right. Well, if they full hold us, that will take a while. But
30 seconds.
T-Racer.
Statistically speaking,
Where we want to go? You want to go coast? You want to go underneath? You want to go mid?
Definitely gonna bring a BAP.
Yes. So.
Do we want to go coast and push up those stairs and try to like get the high ground behind?
5,
Yeah, we can try.
Yeah.
Do what they did to
Try.
us.
Yeah, what they did to us.
Yeah, fuck him.
Hip, 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 hip.
Just kidding.
JK.
We're having fun.
It's all good fun.
Okay.
Yep,
Yeah,
yep, yep,
I'm
yep.
laughing.
I hear the May.
Oh, they know. The Rhine is dropping.
Oh! The Zarya was in here the whole time.
Get her, get her, get her, get her!
I'm on her. Let's get her.
Get her!
Yeah, good job, Messi. Get the map, get the map, get the map.
May's dead.
I'm pushing up on point. I'm pushing up point. Watch
Thank
that.
you.
Watch that map. Ah! Messi.
We almost got a tick, Salty.
Oh man.
That'll teach them. I just have to come out as the better BAP. That's all I want.
Not hiding.
Where are we going?
I don't know.
Let's just go main. Why
Main?
not, right?
Yeah. Let's do it. Oh, let's wait for Salty.
I hear. I'm focusing May. She's like half.
Pushing up.
Zarya drop down with May. Fucked up her wall. Fuck her up.
Oh, that Ryan's so low, my guy. Ryan's down.
Oh no, Salty!
It's okay. I was just trying to contest.
Back it up. Back it up.
I got their May. Oh no!
Just like in training.
I was healing you, Milk.
Yeah.
Get in there.
Well,
Let me see where they are.
I thought I was playing McCree.
They're still doing the cross thing. Ah!
Everybody over here where I'm hopping, but turn around. We're just gonna do this.
Oh, McCree sees us. Ah!
No, okay.
As soon as we get to the corner, I'm beating, and we're just pushing hard.
Got it.
Okay.
Ready?
All
Go.
right.
Okay.
Going.
Swinging. Oh, fuck.
Come on, cross. I'm on point.
Nice. It's okay. It's okay.
Oh my god. I almost have.
I'm sorry, I'm sorry.
You're good.
There is no.
Zarya? Zarya?
Damn it.
CK, wait for me.
I shouldn't have went
Пруда,
up.
не вытащишь, и рыбку из пруда.
What?
Seconds remaining.
Oh my god.
Yep,
Bob.
yep.
Oh, I got Bob.
CK, you're so good at hiding.
Thank you.
I can't even see you. You blend right in.
I didn't even see you.
What's that scarecrow doing here? Alright.
Let me see if they're up here. Yep, they're all up here.
Yeah.
Oh, lag!
No. None of them. Break the window, break the wall.
Oh, I fell down, son of a bitch!
Oh,
I don't know why I did that.
It's okay.
nice, CK.
Nice one,
Much better. Barriers on you.
Get that mag! Okay, she's dead.
The wall. Yes, thank you.
Everybody but Milk, push up. Milk's got long range.
Okay.
All over this Rhine.
Yeah. Getting on the Rhine.
Get in there, Kraz. Screw your shield.
swinging?
Come on, Cross, let's go! Get that Rhine!
Swing on. Runs behind us. Runs to our right.
Immorts are really bad. I couldn't jump. May no ice block.
Did he just waste his shatter?
Yep.
He tried to get
back
me.
out.
Oh.
A temporary setback.
They have grav. Be careful. Even though I'm not supposed to see that since there's not supposed to be kill cams.
Well, that's
They have
part of
grab.
the. That's part of the. I'll say that's part of the code. That's not our fault.
Kraz, I want you to just be the angriest Rhine you've ever been.
Oh, we can't. He can't with the wall.
Okay.
It's okay.
Um,
Oh!
I'm stuck on a payload!
Oh, that's
What
right!
happened?
Ah!
Heals, 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 heals.
Dead.
Milk, I'm
The
proud of
only
you.
time. The only
No,
time
that was the
I
second
actually
time.
Barriers on you. Go.
Okay, first time I was already dead.
But you still called for it, so that's what matters.
Okay, yeah.
60 seconds remaining.
May's dead.
My feelings.
Good. Get the run, get the run, get the
On the run. Oh, good stuff, good stuff.
Good.
Lucio?
You know, I realize I haven't really seen Cross charge a lot this game.
What?
Is that what's going on? He's controlling himself.
Now that you mention that.
Think about it. That's like the first time I've seen Cross charge this entire time.
Oh, that Lucio's so low.
What?
I was healing you!
It's okay. Don't forget the payload.
oh, fuck.
Damn it.
God, this May's so fucking annoying.
That might be our last push.
It's okay. Yeah, that's it.
We
That's
tried.
alright. We tried. Remember what I said? We weren't looking to win
That's
this.
true.
We knew
did
it wasn't
good.
gonna be. Oh, psh, I said that to Emmy. I said GG to her.
Play of the game.
Alright.
This is him booping me off the edge.
No, I bet that's the one who punched me.
They're not gonna be happy about that, Salty.
Well, I'm pulling us out.